So going to Kodiak, this is a real speed dating trip because this is 4 hours. I'm glad we found Chef Joël, who has been living in Kodiak for a long time. He's from France originally. He knows we don't have a lot of time, so he said we're just going to get some ingredients, go back to his house. Let's see what Chef Joël can show me in just a couple of hours' time in his little town. I didn't expect I'd be spending my day in Kodiak, Alaska with someone from France. But Joël's a chef and has been living in Kodiak for years, so he's the perfect guy to take me on a quick food tour of his town. He brings me to his favorite local coffee spot downtown before we go off to do our own cooking. I don't really know what to expect here, so meeting you to take me around is gonna, I don't know. So this place is very interesting.
Yeah, it's the melting place. The people from Kodiak, come here and enjoy a quiet lunch and thought.
So this is a well-known spot then?
Yes, a lot of people come over here, for lunch and meet other people. Then you have the ambience, of them singing like they just did and things like that. That's the thing when you're in a small town, everybody needs everybody.
Is that what brought you here? Is that what made you like it here?
Yeah, even when I was here, in 91, I spent only 3 weeks, but in 3 weeks I was already, man, this is home. Everybody make you so friendly. And like my friend in Port Lions, who sent us the fish, sent me the fish last night, I give him a call, as soon as I knew you were coming in, I said, that's what's happening. Oh yeah, what do you need? And you just, spontaneous and house is open, you go there and you're just like part of the family.
So we're going to be doing that? We're going to be cooking up some fish later?
So we have fresh fish. Well, it's old, it was caught yesterday morning. So we are going to do some 𝐏𝐲 salmon, which is the red salmon, just coming up right now. Then we're going to do some halibut, same thing, just caught yesterday morning. And we are going to do it different ways. We are going to go to visit a friend. She has a big garden. We'll pick up some greens at her garden. Then we'll go to a beach, Mission Beach, and we pick up some beach greens that we're going to use to make a soup and some sauce. Then go to another small park, pick up some fiddle heads, some spruce tips, some dandelions to make the green sauce. Then go to my house and start cooking. And we are on Kodiak, and we're going to make a soup with some fresh corn, little bit bacon, some beach green that we picked up on Mission Beach, and some fish stock that I made with the salmon bones that we're going to use later. Now what we're going to do is cut the salmon and the halibut. Those fish were caught yesterday morning, and a friend of mine, put them in the airplane, and I went to pick it up at the airport yesterday afternoon. So you have two sides, one side is black. I mean, that's the different color. That's the one on top, and it changes color. If it goes where is rocks, a different color, it'll be brownish color. Oh, if it's a lot of seaweed, you'll get greener, color like this.
Camouflaging.
Okay, we're gonna make a green sauce, which is all with
wild greens, beach
greens. So we take a blender, put all your greens. Beach greens, dandelions, fiddleheads, spruce tip, and petrushki, which is wild parsley. And the ashes, from the volcano. So it's very important to really wash many times.
Okay.
So you put all your greens in there, little bit of olive oil, and the secret ingredients, which is the native perfume. Seal oil.
Seal oil. Oh, it smells good though. It smells olive oil-like.
So this is very.
And that's the healthy stuff.
Yeah, it's very good.
Right off the bat.
Then,
and you get
when
this.
You're done, you have with this puree.
It's good. It's pungent. It's nice.
It is, yeah. And it's no seasoning in there. This is just all the herbs, the oil. And
you don't need any salt because the beach greens have enough. Wow.
So we're going to serve this with the poached halibut. Season a little bit the salmon with salt. So I just put the seawater that I pick up on the beach. Then I'm adding some rocks, hot rocks. Then some of the halibut.
And it just sits in there and poaches.
Yep. Nice and hot. Then what we're going to do is finish the soup. Take an immersion blender
Okay.
and just
push it up.
puree it until it's nice and smooth. And when it's done, what you have
Ah, nice.
is this.
Oh, beautiful. So thick.
Yep.
Creamy.
And it just the vegetable, the fish. See those guys? Oh, it's getting white.
Yes.
That's poaching there. This is the garnish for the soup.
These are beautiful.
So this is
It
2
is.
slices.
Oh my gosh. That's salmon, isn't it?
Yes, that's the sockeye salmon.
Oh.
With the Gravlax I made with the petrushki
Huh.
and salt and sugar and a little bit cracked peppercorn. Then the crab meat and smoked salmon.
It's a little ravioli.
Et voilà,
Et voila.
cooking salmon and
Perfect.
halibut on Kodiak.
Excellent.
There you
cool.
go.
Okay.
Bon appétit.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Mmm. I love the way this is smoky. So you don't really need a lot of salt in the soup because you have the
You
salmon.
have the salt from the Gravlax.
And
And same with the cooking in seawater. You don't have to add any seasoning. Everything is in there. You have the seaweed, you have the...
I love learning this natural way. This is going to be something. The way you just poach that like that. I can't believe this. Amazing.
Et voilà.
It takes a little time, but it's so simple, simple ingredients
Simple,
that you can
exactly.
put together so
Yep.
deliciously.
Just everything is from nature.
In your house, thank you.
You're very welcome.
This is
With
wonderful.
pleasure.
Merci beaucoup.
Il n'y a pas de quoi. With
Thank
pleasure.
So Kodiak was great. I didn't actually expect or know what to expect. And what I found was a really community feel here. Everybody seemed to know each other. And then to be able to get all these ingredients from the ocean, from the gardens, and then go back to Joel's house to cook it all, and then try seal oil for the first time, or anything made out of seal. Fabulous. And the people at Monk's Rock Cafe, I mean, just very happy people. And this was probably one of the shorter times we're off ship. So it's very short, compact, but complete day.